Are you new to Revit and want to design a house from scratch? You are in the right place. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll guide you step by step from the first wall to the final roof, so you can start creating professional house designs in Revit, even if you've never used it before. Let's build your dream design together. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Set up the project. Open Revit and create new project. This is the default Revit interface. If you want to open an existing model, you click here. If you want to create new, click right here. Click on New Revit Model File. Change to Metric Architecture Template. Click OK. Click on Manage tab. Project Units. Click here. Here you can change the unit to any of your choice. We're gonna use the millimeters. Click OK. Save your project. Click on File. Save. Enter the project name. Set up the levels. Click on any of the elevations. Use the level tool to create different building levels. You can right click on it, create similar, create a new level. Then rename the level appropriately. We have the level 1 to natural ground level. Level 2 is the floor plan. If you are designing a multi-story building, the levels will keep increasing. Roof plan. Then adjust the height. 600, 3000. Create the floor plan layout. Click on NGL, that's the base level. Use the wall tool to draw exterior and interior walls. Click on architecture, wall, edit type, edit. This is the thickness of the wall. To edit the wall material, click here. I'm gonna use the default wall. Click the access browser to choose your desired color. Select the color and click OK. Finish it. Okay. Adjust the top constraints to roof plan. Select here, roof plan. You can use any of these tools to create the floor plan, the rectangle, or the polygon, the circle. Let's use the line tool and sketch the wall. Use the dimension tool to confirm the dimension. Click here, align dimension, or you can simply type DI in your keyboard. To create another wall, right click on any of the walls, create similar. Select it. Use the trim tool to trim it. Select the wall and the other wall to trim it. Add doors and windows. Open the floor plan. Use the door and the window tool from the architecture tab. Choose appropriate families. Let's start with the doors. Select the door. We have the default flush door. You can load in a custom door. Load family. Select your library folder. Select any of the doors. Open it. You need to adjust the dimension and also change the material if you wish. To do that, click Edit Type. You can change the door material, the panel, the frame, the handle, and the architrave. Select the height, change it to your desired height, and the width, same thing. Click OK. Place it. To change the orientation, press Enter on your keyboard. Do the same thing here. We will add the window. Click on Window, Load Family, select the window. Edit Type. You can change the height and the width of the window right here. And note, this is the seal height, so we have 750 here. Click on it to place it. When you are done, click Escape. You will make an opening in this area. There are two ways to do it. You can select the elevation, select the wall, and edit it. You can also open it with a component. Click on Components, Load Family. This is a custom opening. You can download them, open it. Check the dimension of the space, then edit it and use that same dimension. Then the height, then place it. To view your model in 3D form, click on Default 3D. Use the navigation tool. You can use the Orbit tool. Click and hold to orbit it. Click and hold to pan it. You can zoom in or zoom out. Let's go back to the floor plan. Get the dimension. Create similar edit style. Make sure you duplicate it and change the dimension. We will add the floor and the roof. Click on Architecture, Floor. You use the generic 150 floor. Edit type. Edit here to change the material. Then right click here to duplicate the material and change to floor. Then click the asset, select the floor material of your choice. Click OK. You can use the line to sketch around the building, but to make it faster, you can use the pick lines. Use the trim tool to trim it. Finish it. To add the ceiling, click on Ceiling Floor Plan. Click on Ceiling. Adjust the color and the thickness. Then you can use automatic ceiling or the sketch ceiling. To make it faster, use the automatic and place the ceiling. And here is the offset height. That's the height of the ceiling. You can increase it if you want to. Head over to the roof plan. If you have this same challenge, you don't need to worry. Click on your property dialog. Scroll down. Click on base level. Select floor plan. I'm going to use a concrete fascia, but I will also show you how to use fascia board. So to use the concrete fascia, click on this component drop down, model in place, casework, click OK. Sweep, sketch path, use the pick line to pick around the building. Click on edit profile, pick any of these elevations, open view. Here you can sketch the concrete fascia. Sketch it in form of elevation. Then use this radius arc. Finish it. Under the property, click on material by category, change the color. You can duplicate this fascia, then change the color. Finish model. Add a column here. Click on floor plan, architecture, column drop down, architectural column. If you want to load a custom column, you click on load family. Select any of the column. Click on edit type to change the dimensions. Select the column and copy it to this other point. Let's model the base. Click on NGL, components drop down, casework, use extrusion. Adjust the height, change the material, click OK. Then you can select it and copy to this other one. Head over to roof plan, click on roof, edit type, edit, change the roof thickness or use 5. Then the roof material, select any of the roof material. Click OK. Use the pick line. This is the slope. Take it, pick round. Scroll down the property dialog. Here you can change the slope. Now select the roof. Base level, change to 450. Click on roof, drop down. Use roof fascia. Edit type. can change to any of these, then change the material, click OK. Just pick it, as simple as that. To create a step, click on natural ground level, components drop down, model in place. We'll use the sweep, sketch path, pick the path you want the step to cover, finish it. Edit profile, pick any of these elevations, then sketch the stair. So this PC height is 600, so the stair will end at 450. Change the material or change it to floor, click OK, finish it. To add the actual ground, click on site, massing and site, topo surface, place this point at the boundaries. You can highlight it and adjust it. Change the material, finish it. You can select the levels and hide it. You can view the elevations in the project browser. We have the east, the north, the south, and the west elevation. You can also create a section line. Click on view, section, cut through the design. Go over to the project browser, click on section. Here you can see the section. You can edit and modify it. If you want to learn how to design a full working drawing in Revit, I made a video on that. I'll leave it in the description section for you to watch it. Let's add some plants and render it. Please, just a quick one. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go now and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you have any question or contribution, drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it. To render it, you need to add some plants. Click on components, load family, open your library folder, select the plants, open it, add it to the project. Click here the visual style and change to realistic mode. Pick a camera, click on this arrow, camera, pick a camera point from the site and capture the building. Adjust it to your specification, change to realistic view, turn on the shadow, click on this little kettle icon. You can change the rendering settings to medium, adjust the resolution, and this is the scheme. You can use the sun and artificial light. If you've added artificial light to the project, you can use the few clouds and you can as well import image to it. You can adjust the exposure from this tab. When you're done, render it. When you've gotten a clean render, you can export it or save to projects. That is how to model a house in Revit. If you need more advanced video, you can check our channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, go now and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together and share more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification. If you have any question, I will be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you.